Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel, Mikey's Automotive. Hola, bienvenidos todos a mi canal, Mikey's Automotive. Transmite cartela de Europa Channel on my canal, Mikey's Automotive. So you guys, today we're looking at the Lamtto Sentinel monitoring dash cam. Basically, it's a dash cam with 4G service. So that means that you're able to look at it through real time on your phone, wherever you are. Your car can be anywhere. You don't need to have Wi-Fi, because it has a built-in 4G service on there. So you can have a live view from your phone using the U-Box Pro app. It's really easy to power up. You plug that into your OBD, run the wires, set up the camera. Really easy. Download the app, and you have instant security alerts. You have parking monitoring, so you can be parked anywhere. And it has a dual camera that faces you and faces the outer part of your vehicle. And you also have a real-time two-way talk, so you can talk through it if you need to. It has cloud video backup. It has live GPS tracking, so you can track where your car is going, where it's parked at. And also you can see how fast your car is going, if it's going 65 miles per hour, 45 miles per hour. So as you can see, I'm downloading the U-Box Pro app. It's really easy. You go to your app store on your phone. It's friendly with Android and iPhone. So as you guys can see, this is a U-Box Pro app. So go ahead and download it on your phone and then sign up for it. So I believe for the 4G service, it's $20 a month, $100 for 6 months, or $160 for 12 months, which is a whole year. And that's really worth it for your security purposes. So the 4G LTE cellular data plan is required for remote viewing, two-way calling, app alerts, and alarm video backup to cloud storage. So you guys, what I like about it is the radar detection. Basically, it detects human movement, human faces, and when there's a vehicle right near your vehicle, it starts to record. It also has infrared night vision camera that's built in for the night. It's pretty clear. And it has G sensor that automatically starts and locks events footage upon detecting a collision. So right now we're setting up our app and our camera. So we're going to turn on our Bluetooth. We're going to allow notifications. Okay, so allow the Bluetooth to connect. Allow the notifications to run on your phone. And go ahead and press set. So here's our U-Box Pro app info for screen time, manage apps, permissions, set as defaults. So we're going to go back, and then we're going to go power in our device. We're going to connect it to our OBD. And you should hear the camera start speaking and saying that it's ready to connect. After it's ready to connect, you're going to go back on your phone. You're going to go to add device, and you're going to follow the instructions, okay? So you should hear it saying ready to connect. You're going to hear the little voice on here. We're going to go to add device. Make sure that you do see that blue flashing light. That's going to tell us that it's ready to connect. So if you don't see that blue flashing light, reset it again. Now it's going to go ahead and detect it with the Bluetooth.
The equipment has been added successfully.
So as you heard, it says that the equipment has been added successfully. You also see a notification on your phone that says congratulations. It has been connected already. And as you guys can see, our live view through our phone. Right here, it has a dual camera. You can see the street view, and you can see inside the vehicle. So if anybody approaches the vehicle from the outside or on the windows to look inside your vehicle, the camera will start to automatically record. So here's a front view of our camera. You see our coordinates, our date. It's 0 miles per hour, obviously, because we're just parked. Now, here's the dual side camera. Here's the front of it. Okay, through my phone. You guys can see, this is my iPhone. I also installed the application on my Android phone. So I have them on both phones. So you can automatically start recording on your phone by pressing the record button. Or you can use a mic so you can speak on your phone, okay, to the camera, through the camera. So if anybody's in the cabin or you have to talk to somebody or a driver of yours, you can go ahead and speak to them. Here's our iCloud storage. Okay, so here's our events. Now, as you guys can see, it saves every event on your phone, every movement. Anytime that the camera's alerted with the radar sensor or the G sensor, it'll start to record and it'll save it on your phone on the iCloud storage. And this is all my iCloud storage. These are all the events where the camera was notified that there was movement. So like I said, this is perfect. So when you do have a working vehicle or commercial vehicle that you let your employees use daily, this will monitor them. It'll monitor the miles per hour, the coordinates. You can see where they're at. You can see where they're parked at. Okay, you can see how fast they're going. You can see what they're doing. You can speak to them to the microphone. So it's really handy to have. It's really vital to use on your vehicle when you have it parked somewhere, when you're in a bad area, when you're at home and you just want comfort and to know that your vehicle is safe. This is the camera for you. This is the dual HD camera for you. It records high quality videos so you can clearly see what's going on inside the cabin and outside the vehicle. It also has a button on the dash cam that you can press to automatically start recording, or it has another button where you can press it to have privacy. So if the viewer doesn't want the camera to start recording automatically, you can go ahead and press that privacy button and it'll stop the camera from recording automatically inside the vehicle and outside the vehicle. So that's really good to have as well for privacy reasons. It also records sound that's coming from within the vehicle. So if there's anybody speaking or any type of sound going inside the vehicle, it's also recording that sound as well. You can also use it on your personal vehicle. So if you want a dash cam and you haven't got one, this is the perfect dash cam for you. Just so you can have dash cam video just in case you get in an accident or they try to steal your car. This is a picture right here of the night vision mode when it's in night vision. So as you guys can see, it's clearly a clear picture for the night. All right, you guys, that about sums it up. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join our members only if you want part in commenting, if you want to be part of our community group chat. If you also want to be included in our giveaways, make sure you guys join. Next to the subscribe button from a laptop or a desktop, you can join as well. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Till next time, take care. This is Mikey's Automotive.